Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode we will be learning how to change time zone in Webull. So the first thing you want to do is to open up your Webull application on your device. Log into your account like you normally do, and once inside the home page, click the menu button. From the menu option, tap on Settings. Under Settings, select Chart Settings. Under Chart Settings, scroll down and look for the time zone option and select it. On the next page, go ahead and select the different time zone you want to change to. After selecting one, you can now get back. And that's how you will be able to change your time zone within the Webull application. After changing the time zone, this will only change how times appears on chart. This will not change the system timestamps like order history or market session times. So there you have it. That is how you can adjust the chart time zone in Webull. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.